Hey, it's Scott here, your tour guide with Strolls and Stories Tours.
Mesilla sits directly south of Las Cruces and features a historic town square surrounded by charming adobe buildings. Learn why Mesilla was originally founded and hear how the stagecoach used to come through. We stroll past New Mexico's oldest movie theater. We learn who was operating an illegal gambling game out of the back room of the Mercantile that used to be in this storefront. Oh, this is a good story. We'll learn the tale of Billy the Kid and how Mesilla was once both a territorial capital and county seat. We stroll past charming restaurants, pubs, and shops all along the way that you'll want to stop in and explore. All of this and so much more on our Strolls and Stories Tours Las Cruces Walking Tour, a self guided audio video tour that explores downtown Las Cruces, the historic town of Mesilla, and New Mexico State University. Book today at strollsandstoriestours.com.